See if I express price. Look at the one.